Hi, my name is Darren Martineau, and are you sick and tired of being sick and tired? You know, a lot of people don't even have this thing, which is called shiny object syndrome. Now, if you're watching videos right now and this video appears or whatever it is, don't click off the video, and I'll tell you why. Because if you're wasting your time and if you're wasting your money buying all these products, watching all these videos, doing all these marketing training systems, you are simply a consumer. Now, how do you go from that mindset shift from a consumer to a producer? Well, I'm going to explain you how to do that. And the first thing you're going to have to do is change your mind. You got to change your mind. And my wife is a world-class life coach, and she life coaches me. Her life coaching sessions is $10,000 just to retain her as a life coach. She gives me life coaching, and let me tell you something right now. If you don't change your mindset, you're not going to change anything. It's plain and simple. And we have systems in place to do all of that, world-class systems. And if you'd like to get some for free, I give you some of that for free. And I also give you free marketing training. If you'd like to get free marketing training and join Team Freedom, click on the link, put in your name and email, and join now. I will give you access to clone our marketing system, which is Team Freedom. We'll show you the very best affiliate programs. We'll give you the emails. We'll give you the training. We'll give you the support, everything you need to help you get success in your business. So thank you very much. We'll see you on the other side.